That's evil. What's up, YouTube? If you're new here, my name's Evan and I'm an online reseller. That means I go to places like thrift stores and garage sales to find stuff to sell online for a profit. Last Thursday, I hit up several thrift stores and here's the highlights. So I got this Panasonic DVD recorder. It's not a combo unit, it's just a regular DVD recorder, so it's not worth quite as much. I'm thinking I could get maybe $40 for it if it doesn't have the remote. But I ended up looking right next to it, and there's actually two Panasonic remotes. This is the one that goes with it, and then I'm going to sell that one separately. I was able to kind of test it once I've kind of finagled this cord out of the tape. It powers on, but I can't get the DVD door open because of all this tape. But for $5.99, I'm going to get it. Sometimes these stoneware mugs can be worth good money. This one's not, it's a little too specific, but if you ever find Death Wish coffee, look it up. It'll blow your mind. I'll throw some comps on the screen. Valuable mugs. So I grabbed the Reptar shoes. I could not find any on eBay. I did find a listing on Poshmark where they had sold for $27. They're kids shoes, so they're only going to be $4.50, so I'm going to grab them. Like I said, there's none on eBay, and I think they were a Hot Topic original, and they're sold out, so maybe some decent money in these. For $4.50, I'm going to give it a try. That's cool. Not vintage, but definitely cool. They put these t-shirts in here so tight, you can barely see what they are. I'll take that from me for $1.50. There's another one. This one will be for my wife. I mean, you can't beat $1.50 t-shirts. That's a Champion. It's a nice t-shirt. Definitely cool. So this is something that I definitely thought would be worth more than it actually is. This is a Vancouver 2010 hockey jersey. The Canada version, you can see the number on the back there. I thought it'd be worth a pretty good bit, but the most recent one that sold for $14.99. There's one sold for $59, but it's new with tags, and then one sold for $30 back in November. So it's got some stains on it. I'm definitely going to pass, but I would think it'd be worth more than that. This is cool. It's like Chips. You guys remember that show, Ponch and John? I used to watch that when I was a kid.
Hey, John.
I bet he's got a Porsche in it.
I'm going to need to see your license and registration. It's a little small. Question for you. This player, this is the remote that goes with it. Do you have to pay extra for that? Or?
I don't know what they price it. How did they get in?
It was sitting beside it. I guess they didn't know.
It's Panasonic?
Yeah.
Oh, I see it right here. Yeah, you could leave it. It's okay.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Not a bad stop. T-shirts are $1.50 at that Goodwill, or all the Goodwills around here. So I picked up the Kentucky shirt. I have no idea what it's worth. I just thought the graphic was cool, and it's on the Ringer tee. Not vintage, but it is pretty old. I'd say early 2000s, somewhere in there. Got the Carhartt t-shirt for myself. Can't beat it for $1.50. Clemson t-shirt for my wife, and it's one of those soft Champion shirts like she likes. Got the patch on the side there, and it looks brand new. Can't beat it for $1.50. Got the Reptar Rugrats shoes, originally from Hot Topic. Couldn't find anything on them on eBay. Like I said, found some on Poshmark, sold for $27. Got them for $4.50. I'm gonna throw them on eBay and probably list them pretty high. Got the DVD recorder. I didn't have to pay for one of the remotes because I told her that it went with this one. She was cool with it. Then on the way out, I found this Telco Sleeping Santa. He's from 1992. Looked up comps, and there's several different versions of this, but this one in the blue box seems to do the best. Sells anywhere from like $40 to $72. Obviously in January it may not be a quick sale, but I paid $12.99 for it. Hopefully it works and everything's there, but definitely took a chance. I'm thinking at least 40 bucks, 12 into 40 plus shipping. Not too bad. In 1992, the original price was $70, so that's crazy. Thank you. So this is a pair of Cabela's fleece-lined jeans. I always pick these up when I see them. These are in really good condition. Comps are going to show all over the place, but if you hold out, you can get 25-30 bucks for them. These are at 36, so pretty good size. Show you these. This is a pair of Sims Gore-Tex waders. Sims is a really good fishing brand. They want $75 for them. So only got the one thing, got the Cabela's fleece line jeans. Definitely be on the lookout for fleece line jeans. The Cabela ones sell pretty good. LL Bean ones sell really good. And then there's also a Lands' End version that it's not quite as good, but they will sell. But then those Sims waders, you guys see that? They wanted $75 for them. And honestly, if they were men's and they were the right ones, I would have considered it. Some of that stuff can go for some crazy money. I'll throw some comps up on the screen. But those were actually women's, and when they're women's, the price drops and so do the sales. There's not as many sold women ones as there are men's. I guess not as many women go fishing. I'm not sure, but turning to the next stop now. Here we go with the $1.50 t-shirts again. My daughter will absolutely love this. She's obsessed with horses and guinea pigs. If I ever find a shirt with a guinea pig riding a horse, her brain might explode. So I ended up with two things. I got the t-shirt for my daughter, and it is actually made by The Mountain, so it actually may be worth something. Some of that stuff sells pretty good. I'll show you the tag here. It's a printed tag, but it's The Mountain. Definitely be on the lookout for some of this stuff. I'll throw some comps on the screen of some of the more valuable ones. I only paid $1.50 for it. She's gonna love it. And then the software, I could only find one listing on eBay, and it was a sold listing, and it was under auction. I actually did this in the store, but I opened up the software to make sure everything was here. I actually used the sold listing to see what should be included, and mine looks to be complete. This one is new old stock, but it under auction went for $150, $250. That's crazy. So I'm thinking, I mean, mine's not new old stock, but it is complete. So what, maybe 100 bucks? And the kicker, it's been here since January 8th. I've been here since January 8th, didn't see it. And it was half price, $1.98. So $1.98 into what, 100? That's a pretty good stop. I'll take it. Hey, don't forget to stick around until the end, because there's some interesting updates on the stuff that I found. You guys remember those shoes from the last video that I just left here? They were right there. Not anymore. Right. You got her little friend she talking to. And she was trying to... So it looks like I got a cart full of stuff, but honestly I was in the shoe section and there was another lady grabbing a bunch of stuff, so I got what I could. I looked up these Merrells, and Merrell is definitely a good brand, but these, not so much. There's some ladies, Mary Jane's Merrells. I'm actually going to put them back. I think this pair sells for like $10, and then these maybe $15. They would be $6.50 each. Not worth it. Also found this iron. It's really cool. It's definitely like antique, but once again, there's one for sale for $27, and it's in better condition than mine. Not worth the $6 they want for it. I did, however, grab these pair of kids' Keen shoes. Kids' shoes here are only either $3.50 or $4.50, and they look brand new. Also got the Vibram 5 fingers. They're a little dingy, but they're in really good condition. And then the Olakai. Always going to pick up Olakai. Be on the lookout for these guys. Go for some good money. You guys might already know I'm a sucker for jerseys. This is a Nets Jason Kidd jersey made by Nike. Only gonna be $4.75. It's a nice heavy stitch jersey. couldn't find many comps. The ones I found were, there's one that sold for $34.95 best offer, $69 best offer. One sold at auction for $30 plus shipping. I'm gonna get it for $4.75. It's in really good condition. So I've never heard of this brand before, Twillery, but I'm definitely gonna add it to my catalog. Looked it up on eBay. There's 84 listed and 138 had sold, and they sell for some decent money too. So probably worth picking up, but this one's not in good condition. So not a bad stop there. Got the Keen kid sandals. I didn't look up comps on these because they look brand new and they're only $4.50. I'll throw some comps on the screen. Got the Vibram 5 Fingers. She rang them up as adult slippers. They were only $1. They're definitely dingy. I may throw them in the washing machine. Not sure. They may tear them up. I don't know, but I'm sure future editing me will jump in here and tell you whether that was a good idea or not. But if they come clean, 20-30 bucks, I only paid $1. The Olakais, I actually did look them up when I was standing in line to check out, and they don't sell as well as they used to, or at least not this model. But they're only $6.50. They are an 11.5. If they don't sell, then I'll throw some comps on the screen. I can wear them to go to the pool during the summer, so maybe they're for personal use. We'll see. And then I got the Jason Kidd jersey. Paid $4.75 for it, so pretty good stuff. I won't complain. How's it going?
Yeah, I'm down here to work on yeah. I can't be going them other stores. Their mama got all the money. But she's
So I'm looking at those Crocs, and I am going to sort by pre-owned, and there's 30 listed, 75 have sold. I think I'm gonna pick those up. So I just realized that this Croc is missing its strap, so that's no good. I am gonna pick up the Ultimate Sweater Machine though. I passed on one not long ago because he wanted $35 for it. The other one $14.99 for this one. I don't know that everything is in there, but just this guy, the row counter, goes for $30. So I think it's gonna be worth picking up. Looks like everything's there. That moment when you think you find a pair of Rothy's and it's stinking Skechers. So I got the sweater machine, paid $14.99. I think I can get 50 or 60 bucks for it, maybe more. And then on the way out, as I was checking out, I saw these shoes actually in the glass case. They look like Birkenstocks. Sure enough, they are. They want $6.99 for them. They're definitely kids shoes. I have no idea. Couldn't look up comps. I just told the lady I wanted them. I'll throw some comps on the screen and you guys can let me know in the comments if I did good or not. So not a bad day of thrifting, and there are definitely some updates. First up, the DVD recorder. Brought it home, it works. It sold in 2 days. I had it listed for $89. I took an offer for $80, except the buyer never paid. I sent them a message after 2 days and they replied back that they were no longer interested. So I had to cancel and relist. Hopefully it sells again soon. I'm not even sure why eBay makes this an option, but it is what it is. Next, the Santa Claus. When I opened it at the thrift store, it looked really good. It had all the styrofoam in there and the plastic was covering the little boots and everything. It looked really good. It had all the original packaging. Except when I brought it home and went to take pictures, there was a huge, like, gross stain next to Santa's head on the pillow. Not really sure what it was. It did work, but I didn't think it'd be worth messing with. So luckily, my Goodwill has a return policy. I'm going to take it back and they'll give me a store credit. I can use it to buy something else to make more profit. The Vibrams, I did put them in the washing machine. Didn't do a whole lot. Maybe got them a little less dirty. I don't know, but it didn't damage them, so that was good. But it didn't really help clean them either. The sweater machine, when I brought it home, I took all the pieces out. It looks complete. Started digging into comps, and they're a little better than I thought. I actually have it listed right now for $110, so that's a pretty good pickup. The kids' Birkenstocks, definitely one of the cooler pairs of shoes I've ever found. And I couldn't find them online in many other places. Like one random website had them for $72, and I think I saw them on Amazon for like $78. But both places were sold out. I've actually got the only pair on eBay, and I listed them for $52, and we'll see what happens. Finally, the software. It sold, and it sold for $165. And I turned $1.98 into $137 profit after shipping and fees. That's pretty good. I'll take that every day. Be on the lookout for old software. 9 out of 10 times it's not worth anything, but if you see that old IBM logo or that colorful Macintosh Apple logo, it's probably worth your time to look it up. So definitely check it out. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.